So this one here, you could change it to x to the power of negative half and then do it. Okay. So with you guys, I actually ask you to memorize this. Don't change this to the power of half. Just memorize as this. And here's the reason. You get this all the time. And you have to recognize that 1 over square root of x comes from square root of x. And this is going to be 2 square root of x. So it's square root of x, but you times it by 2 because just the derivative of square root of x will generate a half, right? So to compensate for this half, you have to multiply by 2. The second one, if you differentiate what, do you get 1 over secant? That's too hard. I don't think there is something so simple. But if you just change this into cosine of x, now it's easy. Sine. Now what you actually have to do is this. At the end, you need to say there could be a constant at the end. Because what's the derivative of a constant?
0.
Yeah, so there might be a constant. You cannot say there isn't going to be one. Alright, can you think of a derivative for tangent squared x? So the derivative of tangent is what? Secant. Right? So look, I don't see, from my derivative, I don't see something that turns into tangent squared x. There isn't one. However, we do know this. Tangent squared x plus 1 is equal to secant squared x. So I can change that into secant squared x minus 1. Okay. You can see that would be tangent. And this would be just x, actually minus x. Plus some constant. Don't forget the constant.